you're not already subscribed, go ahead and stop what you're doing right now. Click that subscribe button. Because why you're not subscribed, sis? What you doing? What you waiting for? Hey my lovelies, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and grab you a drink, grab you a little snack, because we're going to do a natural beat today. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. The first thing I'm going to do is color correct these dark circles, sis. We need to get that together. This step really like changed my whole routine. Like I never used to color correct before, but ever since I started doing this step, I use so much less makeup. It's just so crazy. So after that, you're just going to go ahead and take whatever type of setting powder that you normally use. This one is called Banana Dreams, and you just want to pat that all over the color corrector just to make sure that it doesn't like blend into your makeup. So I don't know if anybody else uses like color corrector, but I just recently started using it in my makeup routine, and like the results from me using it are just so bomb. Like I said, I use so much less makeup when I do this step first. And yeah, like I'm just looking at it now and I'm like, wow, like it really just muted out my dark circles so much that my skin looks like it's one color. So next, we're just going to take our Maybeline Fit Me foundation. We're actually using two because like I ran out of the one that I usually use, so I'm gonna have to mix it. And it still came out good, and I'm only using a little tiny bit. And whatever's on my brush is just what I'm going to use. I'm not going back into any more foundation. And if you guys haven't already checked out my skincare routine, go ahead and check out that video on my channel. And that's really the reason why I'm able to use such a little bit of foundation, because it's looking like my skin, but it's really because of my skincare routine. And so now I'm just going to take the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige and just highlight everywhere where we normally highlight. I'm not using a lot of highlighter either. I just want to make sure that I look nice and awake. So lately I've just been using like brushes to blend out my makeup and stuff, and I love the way it looks. I used to use a beauty blender, and I still kind of do sometimes, but I noticed that when I use the brush, I get like the full capacity of whatever I'm using on my face, versus like using a beauty blender to blend it out. I just feel like it takes away so much of the product. So once you blend that all out, you don't have to add any more because it does look pretty natural like this, but I kind of want my eyes to look a little bit more bright underneath. So I just went ahead and added a little bit more in the inner corner. Alright, so that's looking nice and natural. So the next step we're going to do is conceal underneath your brows. Now this step is optional, but for me, I like my brows to look nice and crisp. So that's what I do. I did not add any product to my brows. All I did was use like an edge control to like brush them up and make them look a lot fuller. And I don't know if it's just me, but that just made all the difference in my brows. Like they look so much better now. So we're just taking that same concealer and putting it all over our lid. Now to set everything down, we're going to use two different powders. We're going to use the Maybeline Fit Me in 355 Coconut, and we're going to use the same Banana Dreams powder that we used earlier. So we're basically just setting everywhere that we put concealer so that it doesn't move. Alright, and once that's all good and blended out, we're going to use the black Radiance Cream Contour Palette in the shade Medium to Dark. I'm just going to go ahead and use the sculpting color just to like bronze up my skin and give a little bit more color, because we're looking a little pale, a little washed out right now. And since we're doing like a lighter natural type of beat, I think that this works perfect as like a contour because it's not so harsh, but it still gives you like that snatched look. So I just switched to a smaller brush to do my nose contour, but I'm still using the same color from the Creme contour palette. So we're already looking nice and bronze. So now to set the rest of my foundation, I'm going to use the Maybeline Fit Me powder in the shade 355. So I'm going to use the powder version of the cream contour palette that we used earlier, and we're just going to take the same sculpting shade and just set our cream contour down, because it doesn't dry by itself, so you're going to need to set it down with a powder. We're getting into the eyeshadow part, and we're going to take the same contour color that we've been using and just put that in our crease, just to make sure that it has a color to it, but it's not doing too much. And then we're going to take the darker contour shade and put that on our lid. So don't come for me, but I don't really have a blush, so to get this pink color I just used some eyeshadow. I really do need to get a blush though, because it looks so cute. Then we're going to use the Unicorn Glow palette, and this is my favorite highlighter palette ever. I'm going to take the shade Enchanted. Now I know everybody does their highlighter different, everybody uses different methods or whatever, but instead of using like a fan brush to do your highlighter, I recommend using like a small blending brush to do this. As y'all already know, this video is a natural glowy makeup tutorial, so I don't want like a strip of highlighter on our cheek, because that's like so 2016, and we're not doing that no more in 2020, sis. Moving right along to our lips, we're going to use 3 different lip products, and we're going to keep it really natural. So whatever color your lips naturally are, that's the color lip products you want to use. And you can really stop after that. You don't have to do the liner and everything. If you're not going to be wearing lashes, you don't have to do this part. You can just do the mascara and everything and still be cute. But since I was going to be extra and do lashes, I wanted to put the liner on. I really love the way this look came out. It was so nice and dewy, like a natural glow to my skin. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments what type of looks you want to see next and everything. Connect with me, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff will be linked down below. Make sure you guys do not forget to subscribe to this channel. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.